I read the Patreon post on the World Economic Forum impact AI would have on certain job categories. I wanted your opinion on how it will impact me on my work. I run a post office with gift shop in the UK. The cash deposits and withdrawals are going exponential as banks are closing. Sorry to hear that. The office I run also does a wide range of services, including passports, parcels, and many other services. It's a main office and it is very busy. Well, that is so good to hear. I'm very happy that you are busy and have a lot of traffic. And I don't know anything about retail, but what I would do if I were you, and you're thinking the right way, you're preparing for the future, you have an eye on AI and how it can maybe disrupt your business. First of all, I would definitely diversify beyond traditional mail. Now, I know people will always ship things, and I just look at the amount of packages being sent around the world by companies like Amazon. It is staggering. But think about digital services, like maybe e-government solutions or, I don't know, tax services, human-centric services. I'll give you an example of what I'm thinking. Is I know so many people, like literally my old neighbor knocked on my door yesterday because there was another power outage in California, my God. And she, this is crazy, had no cell phone service, no Wi-Fi, and was freaking out about having no power. And she's like 80 something, and it was just quite startling. But there's always going to be people that will need some level of service and support. Maybe you could help people have maybe Starlink cell phone service in case of emergencies, so they have the ability to call the electric company or things like that. Also, and then after that, I said, "Can you help me fix my computer?" I said, "Oh my goodness!" I mean, there's a lot of need out there for a lot of people. So think about niche offerings that others do not do. Tech support is one, and that just comes from my experience yesterday. I have a million other ideas, but think about carving out something that you could do. You could help yourself scale using AI and help the people that come to your store. And another thing that can drive a lot of people to your store, and again, I'm not in the retail business, I don't understand it, but just thinking out loud of other ideas, there is a huge opportunity around what they call last mile delivery. It makes it easier for e-commerce firms like Amazon drop off things at a point so people can pick them up. And then when they come into your store, it's like a big honey pot spiderweb trap, and then you can sell them more services. So think about building up some of the last mile delivery where they can drop off a ton of packages and people come to your store to pick them up. And you can use digital communications to let them know when the package is there, or maybe Amazon does that. I don't know. So there's so much that you could do, so many niche offerings, but play where others are not, and play in areas of high value, and leverage AI to scale your services. That's what I would do. So keep up the good work, and I hope your store is always busy.